Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today's Tuesday, November 23rd. Let's find out what is on our calendar. Wow, we've had a lot of activity on our calendar. Yesterday, we found out that the two dogs came and ate, each of them had half of that whole cracker. Now, I have to tell you this today, All-Stars, we are not going to be flipping one card. Today is our last day in school for the week. So what we're going to do, we are going to flip a few cards, not just one. So let's find out what is on our calendar for this day. Whoa, one whole cracker, cut into 4 equal parts, into fourths. That's what we found. Then we have, whoa, the 4 mice are back again, and they came to nibble and eat each of them, taking one of the 4 parts. Next we have, what do you think it will be? What will be on this new card? This is Thanksgiving Day, the day we are not together. What do you think will be on this card? Well, wait a minute. You might be having some of this for your Thanksgiving dinner. A pie, one whole pie. Maybe apple pie, cherry pie, any kind of pie. What will be on Friday's card since we won't be in school on Friday? What happens to that whole pie? Oh, Bear, you came and ate the whole pie. Oh my goodness. What do you think will be on Saturday's card? Remember, we won't be in school on Saturday. The pie is cut in half. So there are 2 equal parts, and there's one of the 2 equal parts here and one of the 2 equal parts on this side. Then we will go all the way to Sunday's card. Those 2 dogs came and ate up that pie. Each one of them had half of the pie. Lots of information there. So there's a lot going on with our calendar. Great information there. What I'd like to do now is go to our days in school. Now remember, we will not be in school after today until Monday. So we are adding on one more day. Wow. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58 days. 58 days. Amazing. Let's see. I want to do a few things with this. We will change the day to show 58 with each of these. 58. Can you make a math equation that equals 58? I'd love to see it. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57. We need to add another, what do you think it is? If you said penny, you are correct. I also want to add to this a number tree down here. And then I want to put our numbers. 58 here. And then I am going to add some numbers to the bottom. If I had 55 and I was trying to get to the number 58, how many would I have to add to 55? I'm going to do this, and maybe this will help us. What if I made a number line? I had the number 55. What's the number that comes after 55? 56. Good job. What's next? 57. 57. And then 58. How many jumps would it take me to move from 55, 57, 58? So that took 1, 2, 3 jumps. Oh my goodness, I just learned something new. I just learned that if I put 55, if I put 55, which is up here, I'm going to bring it down, 55 on one side of it, and I put 3 on the other side of it, that would help me make my number tree for the number 58. Wow. Again, using everything we know really does help us. Great job, All-Stars. We're going to add another hour to our clock. So this is what we had for our morning hours. We're going into our afternoon hours, and we're adding another hour to our clock, which now makes it 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock on the 5 o'clock in the afternoon on an analog clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon on a digital clock. We are going to erase our little hand because we're going to make it 5 o'clock on our analog clock with the little hand pointing towards the 5. And we are also going to change the time on our clock to show 5 o'clock. All-Stars, I have one more job for you. I would like you to use everything you know to help count from, are you ready? You can use a hundreds chart from the independent work area to count from the number 41 all the way up to the number 71. And then you can count backwards from 71 to 41. Again, practicing what we've been talking about. You can do it. I believe in you. Have a great day, All-Stars. Bye.